What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the delay on posting videos. We had a bit of a computer issue that nothing a baseball bat and a chainsaw couldn't solve. Today we're going to run the truck. I believe it's at Texas. We're going to give that a go and do some racing here. Looks like we have a bunch of our incentives already made, so it doesn't matter where we finish, but we're gonna do okay, I think. We'll get out here, and it's only 6 laps. We'll get out here and get this race on the road. I'm once again apologizing for the delay in the video uploads. I did have a computer issue, and I think it's solved now. I'm hoping it's still solved now. As soon as this loads, we will get on to the racing. We're going to skip practice like we always do. And just go right to qualifying.
Let's go now.
I think we should soon have a dirt track coming up here. This is a nice track here, nice and smooth. We're a little on the high side, but we'll be all right. Pulling 173, that's not bad. At 175, that's pretty damn good right there. Hopefully we can get in the top 5 anyway, which I think we should easily do.
Let's see where that puts you.
Yep. Okay, let's go show these boys this Chevy Silverado's ready to run.
Drive safe, be smart, keep your head on straight. Almost ready.
See ya.
Car there on the inside.
This truck is so smooth.
Five to go.
This truck almost makes it too easy. I am running a T27 Logitech racing wheel with foot pedals. I have not tested out the Thrustmaster yet, although I'd like to. I'd also like to give the G29 steering wheel a run for its money to see what it's all about. I heard its performance is pretty amazing. So we'll see. Not a whole lot of competition on this race here. I'm not sure what the next race is. It might be a dirt track. Things change a whole lot when you get into the dirt track on this NASCAR 4.
You got one to go.
I do race another car on the dirt track. I raced my personal car here in my career. Then I also run one for my girl because she can't get the swing of it, so I race it for her. So I run it for her. It's pretty fun.
Black and white in the air. The checkered flag. Good job.
And there you have it. Another win. Let's see where we go next. Hopefully it's not Jefferson. That's a road course, dirt track. Okay, we're done with that incentive. Let's move on to see what else we come up with. Oh, it's an Xfinity race. All right, let's do it. Let's get our short track car up to par. And then we'll get the mechanics on everything else. And then we got our NASCAR race to race. So, we'll get everybody hooked up. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. Thank you so much for watching. More to come.